Hello. Now I think it is visible. Nandini, Akshat, Liakshay.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what I was talking that the revised syllabus is, see, first they said prerequisition of class 11, syllabus of class, the main points of class 11 should be revised once. After that, data handling with pandas. This is a very important point, very new chapter rather to all of you, having 30 marks. Okay. Then database and SQL, 25 marks. Then introduction to computer network, 7 marks. And social impetus, 8 marks. These are the main 4 chapters, including the little revision of class 11. So, and now let me see the details. I'm not discussing in details about the data handling because we have not yet touched it. In database, unit 2, that is database, all of these functions, most of these functions we have gone through. Today we will see these having order by, group by. All of you little bit know all these things. Then finally union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product, and join. These few points, these are little new to you. So this is all about database, and it is holding 25 marks. See, so very big chapter and very easy chapter and very scoring chapter. Computer network, 7 theory marks, 7 marks only, and social impact 8 marks theory. So after this we will go to the computer network. You are somehow familiar with all of these terms, though we will discuss point to point, and I will give you the notes also. And social impedance, what is the impact of computer application in society. Few points already we discussed in class 11, hacking, bullying, so those are there. And at the last, project work. So after the lockdown gets over, I will start data handling. We expect that by the end of this month the lockdown will be over. I don't know whether the summer vacation will be there or not. If summer vacation is there, then after the summer vacation I will start this. So now I'm going to complete database chapter, then network, then social impetus. These 3 chapters I will complete through our this online classes. At least up to 17th. School is, yes, tell.
Sir, should we consult the notes, or will the notes be enough, or do we have to consult another book as well?
Definitely book is always helpful, but as far as the exam is concerned, notes will be absolutely okay, because every year, every batch I provide notes. Every year I provide notes, and at the at the time of exam they only follow the notes. But to know in details, definitely you should go through the books. But new book hasn't come yet in the market as per the revised syllabus, because when we started our session, the syllabus was different. Accordingly, your syllabus book was printed. Now see, there are lots of differences. So new updated book has not come yet. Still we are waiting. But as we know all these points, that's why I'm talking. I'm taking classes, and all the teachers are doing the same way. So these are the points. I think it is clear to all of you.
exam be conducted this year, or will it be cancelled? What do you think?
Which exam? Board exam? Pending
The
exam?
IT exam?
Pending
Yes,
exam?
sir.
Board? No, it will
Yes,
be conducted. It is main paper, na? It is main paper.
Yes, sir.
So it will be conducted anytime. Board has told just 10 days before board will announce. But it will be conducted, definitely it will be conducted. And few exams of class 10 have been cancelled.
Sir, only IT has been cancelled.
IT, what
as
we are having, that has been conducted already. The first exam was IT, but there are some more IT IT subjects, so those have been cancelled. So this is the scenario. So today let us start our class.
Definitely, sir.
Sir,
Yes, tell.
so the major like differences.
Tell. Major differences.
So, sir, the major change in syllabus has can only be seen in that theory part, right? In the societal impact and
No.
the
What I
last
told
unit.
you. What I told you. So that's why they have removed that.
So it's good then. Change for a good.
Django application. Django application, then Django with SQL connectivity. Django application and Django with SQL connectivity. Anyway, so leave all those things. What we had, so that let us focus on this. So let us talk on today. I will only touch 3 topics today: that group by, order by, and alter. So let us understand how the group by works. What is the theory behind it? Group by always groups the similar values. Most of you know that. Again, I am telling, and here is a graphical representation of the group by function. Let us see, and color wise, it was nicely explained. Somewhere I found it, and I thought that I should share with you. Say this is a table. Name of the table, say it is flight. Name of the table is flight. Few columns of the flight table have been taken, and those columns are origin and DP delay. DP delay, and one is origin. These are the 2 columns of the table, say flight. So in origin, various airport names are there, and DP delay, timing, maybe some values are there, numeric values are there. Now, if I make a group by on origin field, then what will happen? As I told you, the similar values are grouped together. So what are the similar? Airport 1. So all the airport 1 will make a group. Airport 2, all the airport 2 will make a group. Airport 3, all the airport 3 will make a group. And calculation on those groups will be taken. Now see how it is working. So see, group of airport 1. So airport 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 airport groups. Okay. A group of 4 members of airport 1. Airport 2, a group of 3 members of blue color, and airport 3 only 1. Now see the application through a command. Select origin, AVG, DEP delay from flight, group by origin. So what is the expected output? Average on each group, average value of each group based on origin. So average of these values of this field, the DEP delay, average value of this field, DEP delay, on values of what? The group of values based on origin. Try to understand. So each origin means each airport is making a group. For example, airport 1, 1, 1, 1. Values are 10, 15, 20, and 15. So when you do group by origin, so all the first airport 1 will make a group. Group means the values, corresponding values will be also in group. What will happen on this corresponding values, group of values? Average on 10, 15, 20, and 15 will take place. So see, average of these values are 15 for airport 1. In blue color, see, group by origin. So again, second group, airport 2, what are the values? 100, 120, 140. So all the blue colors, airport 2 will make a group, and average on those group members will take a place. AVG function will work. So AVG on airport, values of airport 2 is 120. Just find out, it will be 120. 100, 120, 140 is average 120. And airport 3 single, so 320. So select origin, average delay, DEP delay from flight group by origin gives this output. Gives this output. So this is group by. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now condition on group by. We make any condition on group by. How does it work? Because group by question will be definitely asked. Very, very common question. At least one question would be there in board exam on group by. At least one. See, now select origin, count all from flight group by origin. If we stop it here, I'm not, for the time being, I'm not looking on this. Leave it now. So select origin, comma, count from flight group by origin. Now what will happen? Origin will come. All the origin values will be grouped together because group by origin. See, one more thing. When you group by some field, that must be there. Okay. So count, as you did average, here you are doing count. Counts what? How many members are present in each group? How many elements are present in each group? Count on group by origin. So count on each group. Each group means members of the group. So that takes place if we run only this. Now see, now we are removing and using this also.
Sir, this count option will count the number of airports that are there on this origin column. I mean that airport 1, airport 2, and airport 3, or it will say the number of occurrence as if the airport 1 appears 4 times.
Yes. First you see group by origin. What does it do? It groups the similar values.
Airport 1,
whatever
airport
number
2,
it
airport
is,
3.
whatever number is it, 1, 2, or 3, whatever. Okay. So first it works here. Group by, it groups by. Okay. So common, all the common values of this field are grouped together. Number 1. After that, what happens? Count on each group. Means how many members are there in each group. So
that means the number.
Airport 1, how many? Airport 2, how many? Airport 3, how many? Like this. As we did here.
Okay.
Airport 1, average was this. Airport 2, average was this. Airport 3, average was this. Similarly, airport 1, how many? Airport 2, how many? Airport 3, how many? Count function. Instead of average function,
okay,
count function takes place. Now, we have making a condition. I already before told you, if you remember, having comes instead of where, instead of where. Instead of where, when only we use group by. When only we use group by. Please remember. So instead of where, we write having. Nowadays, they are updating. They are accepting, where. But please don't use that. Theoretically, because you may find somewhere in net that still they are using where instead of group by, but theoretically only having we use. Traditionally we are using having with group by in all the databases, even in Oracle also. So please remember, while you use group by, if their condition is required, condition will be having instead of where, and condition comes later, after group by, not having this then group by this. Group by is complete, then having whatever the condition. So now having 100 greater than 100, so on greater than 100 values the calculation will take place. First count on what, whose values are greater than 100. So first greater than 100 values will be taken from there. After that group by will work. After that count will work. Understand? First this condition filters the data. So all the greater than 100 data have been taken. So this. After that group by origin. After that count. So airport 2, see, airport 1, all are below 100, so nothing. Airport 2, 100 will not work. Airport 2, 120, 140. So 2. Count is 2. So count is 2. And airport 3 greater than 100, so count is 1. So airport 3 can't go on. Clear? First having.
Sir,
this, yes.
So suppose we don't want to know the frequency of all the values like airport 1, 2, 3, and we only want to know just the frequency of one. Let's say airport 1. How would we do that?
Here give the condition where having airport is equal to 1.
Where origin is equals to airport 1.
Where? Yes.
So we cannot write in the count asterisk within the bracket. We cannot write origin there.
Just a second. Let me write it. I'll listen you. Yes, Adda, tell what you were asking. Who was asking?
So sir, using Cyber's
Tell.
So using the having clause is only the way, or can we do it in other way also? Like in instead of writing that asterisk within the count, can we write origin?
In condition. Here.
No sir,
asterisk.
in count.
Here.
No sir.
Here you cannot use function. in condition, we never use function. I'm giving you an example. Let me first write a command. Any command I'm writing. Just see. You pointed out very good point, very interesting point. Select say all from a student where AVG is equal to select sorry, A mark. Select. Can you understand what I had written? Can anyone tell what I am trying to write? For what would be the output of this command? Can anyone tell?
Sir, just all the credentials of one particular student who has got the maximum marks.
Exactly.
Maybe.
Exactly. Why I did it? Because directly, if the question is find the details of the student who had got the maximum marks. So where maximum is equal to, you cannot write. That is an error. Instead of that, where average marks is equal to select maximum marks from student. Sorry, bracket close. So this statement rises one output, returns one output. If that output is same as this, then it will come. Output will come. Result will come. Are you getting me? So here we cannot write where average marks is maximum average marks. No. Where maximum average marks. So such type of questions we ask, and it is often the students also commit mistake. They cannot relate. So in such condition, never give function. When function is required in the condition, make another statement. So this is the statement. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
So we have a class right now.
Okay.
11:40.
I think time is running out. Tomorrow again we will meet.
Sir, you keep going. They are PhD students. They may leave, sir. You keep going, sir. I want to learn IP. Did not do it in class 11.
No.
Yes, sir, you may.
I will do it.
We don't
Some
have
students
any.
are leaving. They need the class. No?
Yes, sir.
Time is also
We need
going
permission
out.
to leave.
Immediately it will be stopped. Don't worry. It will be covered before time. King Shuk.
Hope so, sir. Hope so. Thank you, sir.
Don't worry. And I am always there. Anytime if you have any doubt, just make me a call, or any way you can contact me. I'm always available
Definitely.
for all
Thank
of
you.
you. Okay, take care. See you again soon. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.